What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 3rd of August. We're taking a look at XRP this morning. We will take a look here at the cryptobubbles.net website, glance over at Bitcoin, share some thoughts over on the stock market, wrap this video up. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all the subscribers and viewers. Kick this video off, cryptobubbles.net. We are here on the daily section here. So mostly red overall in the crypto market. Got a couple outliers. XDC, KAS, PLS, HEX all up double-digit percents. HBAR hanging there around 3.6% to the upside. The 1 hour, we have many red cryptos here on the market. Guys, pretty cool website, cryptobubbles.net. Check it out. Let's jump over to the charts. So we're going to head over to tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. Here we are on a daily chart of XRP, getting a breakdown below a very important support level. We are finding support at a key level. We do have another one well below the market that could get tested, guys. Buckle up, put your helmets on. Could be a rough ride here. So let's jump into this. Let's go to a 4-hour chart. Don't use the 4-hour chart, but I think for what I want to show you here, it is a pretty good example. Although the price levels do not change, just the time frame. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame. 68,260, guys. Been talking about that level for a while. It's still a very important level, although it has broken to the downside. It was support over here, 68,260. Support over here. So that's the 25th of July. That is the 14th of July. Once again, 30th of July. Once again, 31st of July. Couple times here, although getting a little shaky on the 2nd of August, and then overnight, or today, I should say the 3rd, we got a breakdown below it. So these markets are not yet finished to the downside. That's what they are telling us. Now that can change very quick, but right now they are telling us we are not done going down. That is fine. We have levels below the market that we will watch. Moving on from that, so 68,260. I almost wrote on my community board last night, and I didn't feel like it. Keep an eye on 68,260. It's very important. It needs to hold. It didn't hold overnight. Moving on down below the market, so 65,700, 65,160. Key levels that we're testing right now. Very key levels, these two levels. If these two levels do not hold, the odds start to increase that we are heading all the way back down to the 57, 56, 55 breakout zone. We will jump into that in just a moment. But right now, 65,700, 65,160 are key levels for support. That's basically roadblock number 1, we'll call it. If that does not hold, the odds start to increase that we head all the way down to roadblock number 2, which is at that much lower target. Let me show you how this works here on the 3-minute time frame. Here's a perfect example right here on the screen in front of us. 55,700, roadblock number 1. Price comes down to roadblock number 1, find support as it should, and we'll see if we can continue up from here. But at least for a period of time, we don't know how long that period of time will be, should hold. Keeping in mind, we also have that second one, 65,160 right here as well. So we'll see if one of these holds. Should take us back up to that 68 range. We'll see how ugly these markets get. The stock market really showing its teeth yesterday, and the odds are increasing quickly that these markets are heading lower to sideways for a correction. They've been moving up for a long time now. That is the stock market. And looks like that is over for now. So we'll see if crypto follows that trend or bucks that trend. But right now, 65,700 support for XRP, 65,160 is below that. And we're going to head over into the other levels down there at the 55, 56, 57 range. But I wanted to show you how these levels work when price approaches, just like this to the downside, similar to the upside. So let's head to the daily chart. So this is we went over the 4-hour, the 3-minute. We're going to head over to the daily here. You can see this trend is clearly down. We broke some important levels a while back for XRP, and that was not good. And we haven't regained those, and we haven't shown any strength. We have not. This is all very weak action in here. Our lows, we undercut our low of the 14th of July of this whole major move here. That is not good. That took place today, actually. So it doesn't mean these markets can't recover from here and rally, because people are going to get bearish now. But the odds from a technical standpoint are favoring further downside than upside right now. So if you have that scale, we're on the heading lower side of that scale than we are heading higher. Doesn't mean it can't happen though. So 65,700, 65,160 are those levels right now. If those fail, guys, the odds increase big time. If those levels can't hold, there's a good chance we are heading all the way back down here to 57,190 right in here. That's, our breakout zone was 55 to 56, but my level that I am watching for support below the market, where we're currently at doesn't hold, is 57,190. That's this pink line on the chart right here. And if you zoom out, you could see this candle wick right here on the 29th of March did test that level. These candle wicks did not quite get up to that high. These are more like the 55 levels. That was the 23rd of September. And so on. Same with this candle over here, which was the 13th of June. But like I said, 55, 56, 57, 190 to be exact is what I'm watching. If our current levels, which are at 65, 160, 65, 700, do not hold, this thing could get ugly and head lower. So buckle up, be prepared for anything. That is at least what I'm watching, as this trend is clearly just getting started potentially to the downside. It could have a lot further to go, especially if the stock market gets real ugly. Then crypto could follow along. Bitcoin doesn't look too bad though, so we'll see what happens here. If we head down to that 57,190, that's about call it a 13 to 14% haircut from where we're currently trading at. So XRP is definitely on sale right now, but I don't think it's just going to stop here and go higher. I think this sale is going to increase a bit here, especially if 65,700, 65,160 does not hold. I think you can add a couple percentage points to the red and expect to see potentially that 57,190 level. Ouch. You can just about say goodbye to all of this move here, but a retest of the breakout is pretty normal. So we'll see what happens here, guys. Heading over to BTC USD is really holding up quite well. We are pinned basically at 29,143, one of my levels here on the chart. We had a pretty decent shakeout here, which was not reversed, but that was not a very good day. And then another inside day here, or an inside day here so far. So basically pinned at 29,143.22. Below the market, 28,249.67. That's down here. Above the market is 30,141. We're just pinned right here. We'll see. Bitcoin seems to be holding up better than XRP and some other projects. So that's pretty much it for right now. Something quite bullish here is we have this wedge down here, this move down for Bitcoin that could potentially be broken to the upside. Get my tools here. Something like that. And I've been saying it for a while. 34,293 is a target of mine, but you got to get above the other targets, which are 31,573. Then I have a couple right here in the $30,000 mark, and that takes us up there to 34,293. But so far, things are quiet. Things are ugly for some projects. Things are not so ugly for others. Bitcoin looks quiet, which is interesting. It's not getting... Bitcoin basically isn't getting smacked down right now in the red, but for some reason, the XRP, XLM didn't look at XDC. XRP getting hit the most. What's new, guys? What's new? So, we'll see here. All I know is prices are on sale right now. So, hey, that is nice, but it does not mean that the prices will not go lower. So that's my thoughts on XRP. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin. If we head over to the SPX, the S&P 500 index, we have a gap down here on the chart, breaking some key levels. Got some more continuation in the S&P futures, the ES this morning, heading lower. Does look like we have a gap down in here in the 444 area. Maybe that'll get filled. We'll see. But this has been a very nice run here. So a sell-off, a consolidation, a sideways move is pretty normal action here, guys. All right, let's see what happens. That's my thoughts on XRP. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us. All links down in the video description. If you do use those links, it does help support the channel, and I do appreciate it. Thank you. So keep your eye on 65,160, 65,700 for those roadblock number ones right there. And then if those fail, guys, and things start to get real ugly in this market, we could be doing a full back test of the breakout, which puts us down there at 57,190, even 55 or 56. So let's see. I do have a bunch more support levels in between, but those are the key three levels I'm watching right now. They're in pink, 1, 2, and then 3 down in here. Hey, maybe we'll be caught off guard and it gets a surprise breakout here, but undercutting all of these important lows is not good for the XRP price. So we'll see, but hey, at least we're getting a discount right here and we can load up some more if that's something that you want to do, not financial advice. All right, guys, take care.